Another day, another GMC Safari project. Today I'm supposed to be replacing the front anti-sway bar. Why? It broke. No big deal. Went on Amazon, ordered the part, came in, and then I got busy. So it sat on a workbench over there for about 6 weeks. Take it out of the package today, and it is not even close. Which means I now own a part that I can't use. I have absolutely no use for it. I tried to find the replacement for this. Okay, this is a 1997 GMC Safari, rear wheel drive with a 32 millimeter front anti-sway bar. Okay, can't find it. I just can't find it. I mean, I've chatted with people and talked to people and Googled everything, and I can't find one that looks like the one that is in this one. So what are my options? One, drive around with it broken. Nah, that's not an option, not for me. So what I'm gonna do, no matter what, I gotta take it off. And I'll continue to look for the correct part. But no matter what, I gotta take it off. So let's get it off, and I may wind up welding it and putting it back on. Will that work? I have yet to have one of my welds fail. I have yet to weld an anti-sway bar too, so I have no idea. But right now, I'm kind of slim on options. So let's get it out and put it on the bench and see what we can do. Well, there it is. There's the broken part right there. What I'm going to try to do is take the whole thing off and weld it up. Now, normally I would just cut these end bushings off, these end links off, and just use new ones. However, because I don't have the kit that these would normally come in, I'm going to have to be really careful, and I'm going to actually try to reuse these. So let me get to work, and I'll bring you back when I get it all off. Okay, getting this sway bar out is not going to be that difficult. You just got to take the end links out, one on each side, and then you've got a bracket here with a bushing in it, again, one on each side. Take those out, then you just got to wiggle the bar out. Okay, before I get carried away on this thing here, I just wanted to show you. This is the one that I pulled out, and this is the one they sent me that is supposed to fit in my van. I don't see how. I mean, this on this side alone, it's a good 5 inches wider. So it's 10 inches wider overall than the one they sent me. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to be able to weld it. See this piece here? This is already missing its whole top piece here. I mean, if I have to, I could take a piece of flat and put up in there and weld that in. But this side over here, this is the part that was busted, and it's just slammed. So this here snapped out of here. So anyway, I've taken some dimensions on this, and I'm gonna keep searching. I may have to buy a used one, which is scary. But anyway, my search continues. Well, I found it. This is the exact part that I needed. It's actually a Dorman part. There were 3 in the state of Colorado, and I found one 50 miles from me, so I ran out and got it. I will put the part number for this in the description below. Anyway, it's super easy to install, so let's get installing. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have it oriented correctly, and then we're going to just wiggle it, wrestle it into position. Roughly, just like that. Then we're going to take the bushings, and the bushings come in the bracket. Separate them out of the bracket, just pull them off, and they're split. You're going to put these onto the bar here. There we go. Then you put this bracket over it. Then you'll run the bolts up. And I will bring you back when I get the bushings in, and then we'll move on to the end links. It helps when you put these when you go to put these brackets in, put a little lubricant on it. I just got some WD-40 because it was handy. And between the new powder coat and the new rubber, it does not want to move. Okay, now that we've got the primary bushings installed, let's move on to the links. This here's your end link, and it goes from the hole in the lower control arm to the hole in the anti-sway bar. Okay, before we get started, I just wanted to show you the stack up here. The bolt comes up from the bottom, bushing, washer, bushing, bushing, washer, spacer, washer, bushing, bushing, washer, with has a built-in nut. So let's take this apart and feed it up through. So the bolt comes through, you drop a washer. Let's see if I can do it from behind so you can actually see what I'm doing. So this already has the bushing on the bottom and the bottom washer in place. And you feed this through and put your washer in. Grab that. Grab your spacer, drop the spacer on. Then we're gonna need a washer and bushing here. And run it through the end of the sway bar. Put the top bushing on and put the top nut washer combination on. And that is it. And there you go. That's it. That's all it takes to replace the front sway bar on this particular GMC Safari. Now this is the rear wheel drive version. I suspect that bar they sent me that didn't fit was the all-wheel drive version. The procedure is going to be the same. The front sway bars are not that difficult to change. Did I do it perfectly and get it all in the first time? Absolutely not. But I made progress. Between this project and the other two projects I did earlier, I upgraded the headlights to LED. I put new shock absorbers on it. I put a new anti-sway bar links on it. Next thing is I'm going to go to the tire store, get some tires put on it, and get it aligned. Thanks for watching.